One more thing.
It's around $5,000 US. It's the Tesla limited edition iPhone 10. Look at that. It's wild. And it's for the
iPhone that cost more than $4,500. That is Apple iPhone X Tesla edition for you. The thing is, the phone boasts with a gold plating feature and a sleek design of carbon fiber, and it has a 2500 mAh battery capacity. Well, the phone brags with its solar charging capacity, and I don't know why, but it takes up to 30 hours before you can charge it fully. I mean, why would you make a phone that takes 30 hours to charge it fully if you are using the solar to charge it? I think that's why they named it Tesla though, but I don't know why they did that though. Yes, and the phone has a good camera, the same as the Apple iPhone X normal mode, 7.1 megapixels for the front camera and 12 megapixels for the rear camera, 40 fps to 140 fps during the video, and it has a good display as well. The display is made with graphene display, and I've not heard of graphene before, but that is what they said according to GSM Arena. I think this is the phone you've not heard before. That is the Apple iPhone X Tesla edition. There's the iPhone X, and they have customized it to Tesla mode. And the thing is, it has solar in the back. You can charge it even when you're outside and run down. So that is everything you need about that. Follow for more.